and I'm in the gym, but the light is not working and the airco is also not working. It's so dark. The camera makes it look better, but it's so dark here. But
now you have more the muscle-mind connection with your muscles. You have to think more. You cannot just look in the mirror.
No, you gotta gym with eyes.
yeah, no excuses. So let's go.
This is the warm-up set. Don't worry about it.
You can see it, so don't worry.
What the hell?
Can you see me? A little bit. They say that the light will come in 30 minutes. So we'll see about that. And we have light. It was just like 5 minutes, so we are lucky because Ruben was already here for like 30 minutes without light. And now the airco also works. We are going to eat at Bikini Bottoms, but this one is somewhere else. Yeah, let's go, right?
Let's go.
So this is the inside of the restaurant and the menu. So cute. Jairus wanted me to film this because he said it looks good. So let's check it out.
You're ruining it.
Why am I ruining it? I'm just honest with the audience. That went wrong.
That looks satisfying, right?
No.
Look how satisfying.
And what is it?
English breakfast tea. Next time I'll make
With
the heart.
milk.
Of course, milk. Of course.
We already have our fruits. Jairus has watermelon, and I asked to change the watermelon to something else because I don't like watermelon. And they gave me mango and banana. I just don't like it.
They give you so much sugar. We don't want that.
And we're waiting for the keto slam, and that's a lot of protein, so that's good for after the gym. It's like eggs, bacon, sausage patty, veggies, avocado, etc., etc. I will show you. The food is here. Look how good it looks. And then the banana and mango and a hash brown. And Jairus has the same.
More eggs.
More eggs. And then the watermelon. And I think we're sharing the hash brown. Looking good. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
I am at Miniso. And they have so much cute stuff. And they were selling the blind boxes. And I want one. Look, these are from Stitch. And they have so much choice. So I'm checking which one I want. But they have all kind of stuff. Look at this. Hello Kitty. Oh, this one is cheap. It's around €6. Toy Story. Also €6. Look how cute. But I saw. Oh, this one also looks good. Cute. I saw this one. Guys, this one is so cute. I need this. I think I'm gonna get this one. This one looks so good. I'm gonna check which one I'm gonna buy. And I will show you when I'm home. Because I can't choose now. It's too much. Oh, this one is also. Okay. You guys will see me at home with the one I bought. We got home. I'm gonna show you which one I chose.
Bro.
I couldn't.
Oh my god.
I couldn't.
Show it.
choose
Good.
Is the Gen Z Street is so funny. It's Stitch, one of my favorite Disney characters.
Okay, you're lucky that it's also mine. You're lucky.
And they have really good options. Flash, Aloha, a Funky Branch, Bounce Rebound, Swag, a Vaporwave, and of course,
Is that like
Freestyle,
this-
the Secret. Yes.
Hey, they're just trying to create hype.
I like them all except for the bounce. So
Why you don't like bounce?
because it's wrapped.
Okay.
So I would like them all. Maybe the Secret. I'm gonna open it.
Yes.
Let's check which one we have. Do you see this?
I don't understand these type of things, man.
Well,
I'm
in
lying.
Asia,
No,
you have
I'm
to
lying.
do
I'm
it.
lying. Because I used to collect Pokemon cards, you know?
Exactly. It's
Okay, I'm lying. I'm lying.
Okay. I'm not gonna.
But
look.
bro, this is so big.
You can check. You can check. Don't tell me if you see a color inside because sometimes you can already see which one you have.
Okay.
So, the package is cute. Let's choose.
But I can check, you said.
No, huh?
Or
No.
you meant... did you already see it?
I saw something, but I don't know which one it is.
Okay.
That's what I meant. They put a sticker in the back.
Okay, hurry up, bro. Oh my god.
Where's? Oh, here. You can already see.
Oh yeah, you got lucky.
Yeah?
I think this is the cool. Yeah, you got lucky.
Oh, this the
This
one
is
I
the-
wanted.
yeah, this is
This
the-
is the one I wanted.
You got lucky.
This.
This is the
From
best
all
one.
all of them, I wanted this one the
Yeah,
most.
I was already looking like this is the coolest one. This one. And you got it.
Yay! Look how cute.
Because look, this is really the coolest one.
Yeah, this one is.
Yeah, that's the coolest one, I think.
Yeah, or this one. This one is also
Mhm.
nice.
But this one got a beanie on.
Vaporwave. Yeah.
What does it say on the back?
Cosmic. This is perfect for my bag because my bag is black on black, and this gives it a little.
Okay, I gotta be honest. I understand the hype a little bit.
Okay,
I
let's buy
understand.
another one.
No, no,
For you then,
no.
A small
Because this is
one.
too big.
a small one. They have also.
But this is also so girly. I'm not gonna put
no,
a
but you
pink.
can choose the one you
No, I
want.
can't because
No,
it's a secret.
not this box. You
Okay.
can choose your own box.
For my North Face backpack.
Yes. Oh, now you understand the hype.
Yes, they got me.
But look, this is so cute for your bag.
Yeah, for
And
your bag.
yeah, but if you have one for your bag, it's also cute.
I just don't want to admit that this shit is getting to me.
But it is.
Let me see the stitch.
It's cute, right? They had a lot of different Stitch
You're
ones.
lucky that Stitch is my favorite.
But they have a
Just
lot
because.
of Stitch ones. So maybe you can choose another
The
Stitch one.
beanie is suede. They're saying don't iron it. Duh.
Okay, so when do you want to go to the shop? Tomorrow? Yeah? Yeah.
No.
Let's do it.
No, not tomorrow. Don't hype me up
Okay.
too much.
Okay. Oh my days. This one is so cute. Thank you for watching. Bye.
That's cringe. Don't do that.
Look at this. Ellie. Ciao. All those things here they sell. And we are going to eat at Michelin. Looks good. Only local people. And our friend Ruben is here. This is the menu. And we have some vegetables already here and the sauce, peanut sauce. And I ordered the grilled beef. Jerry has ordered horse skewer.
Also Michelin.
Oh yeah, and the bancha skewers. I want one. Can I have one? I want one. Yeah, it looks nice. It looks clean.
I didn't expect this at the end of the alley.
No, we were searching for it. It's Michelin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's in the Michelin guide. I see Michelin 2025 and 2024.
Quick service.
And also quick service. Ruben ordered 15 of the skewers.
Just protein, nothing else.
Manchow looks also really good. And Jairus ordered 10. 10 in the manchow.
Yeah.
Looks good though.
It's good. Yeah, really quick.
Let's try the manchow. Some rice paper. Oh yeah. He's trying the beef skewers. You're a pro now, huh? So roll it. And then of course the peanut butter. Peanut butter and the peanut sauce. This one?
Also really good.
It's really good.
A lot of taste. And the peanut sauce. The peanut sauce is really good. This one is good, huh?
This is the best manchow I've had.
Yeah? Let's try it. Really good taste.
So I ordered roast beef. It looks so good.
It's like sweet and salty at the same time.
Okay, let's roll. We're gonna try it without the peanut sauce first. This one,
The beef, is that really good?
it tastes like cinnamon.
Really?
Oh man. You need to try this. This is some serious.
It's just sweet.
It's sweet. Oh my days. Perfect spot. Can I take a bite of it? Good bite.
Yeah, right?
But the beef ones, guys, these are incredible. Look at this. So we're done eating and the food was really good. And now everyone was drinking some kind of milk. And it's corn milk. So let's try that out because everyone is drinking it. It looks good.
I really like the smell. Yeah?
It's really good.
If you like it, then I should like it.
It's really good. You don't like it? I like it. It's like sweet corn.
Wait.
milky.
Second
if-
opinion.
He doesn't like milk. I do. But it's like a sweet kind of milk.
It's weird. You really taste the curry.
I like it. Now I understand that everyone is drinking. There are they cooking everything. It was really nice. So it's in this small alley with some stores inside. You wouldn't think that here is a good restaurant. So here it is. Okay guys, we are on a motorbike and we were on our way home, but next to our home there's a bridge here. Oh my god. He came very close. And it's so big. It's, I think, the biggest bridge I ever saw. And we just thought, let's go over the bridge. So let me show you the bridge. This is the bridge. It's high, it's so big. And we stopped at a nice hotel. This is also a really big hotel. But yeah, I'm gonna show you a ride to the bridge. Let's go! Wow!
Look, that's the building in Paris. And
Yeah.
that's the Statue of Liberty.
And I saw something from the Netherlands.
No way.
The windmills.
Look, that's the Eiffel Tower.
Windmills. Look! Yeah.
Oh yeah, windmill. And that's the Statue of Liberty. And these are
Oh,
the
yeah.
pyramids.
I think this is a really expensive hotel.
What the heck is this? This is like every little thing in the world.
Yeah.